Good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are doing a new video on Dogecoin because of all this talk about Doge with Elon and Trump and saving money for us taxpayers here in the US. Doge is a OG altcoin if you don't know it already, a meme coin if you want to call it that. You can see it was very near zero, and from near zero it is almost at 21 cents today. You can see the upside, rounding, bottom accumulation, and basically markup again. And this coin actually looks like it's just doing a rounding bottom and possibly can, get back above this wick and higher. So this is why I wanted to point this out to you guys. If you guys haven't already seen the videos on this in the past, feel free to go in my channel and just type in Doge and you should find it. If you're interested in trading with us live, please feel free to join our Discord server. Link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that we use and recommend that helps the channel grow. So please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button for notifications, press the like button, and leave me a comment in the comment section below to let me know how I'm doing. So let's get kick started on this. Like I said, we are in an uptrend, but you are getting a test of support before you get the upside continuation. This does kind of look like a head and shoulder. Like, here's your one shoulder, here's your other shoulder, here's your head. Now you're making another shoulder and probably fifth, and then like kind of ground out over here. That's a possibility if we start losing 21 cents with a close on the daily. If we open and close underneath 21 cents, I'd be looking for us to go test into this 15-cent area. Now, is this going to happen? I don't know. A lot of the altcoins have done this. Like, they've had a accumulation phase, a markup phase, and then now the accumulation is occurring again right on top of where the last resistance was. So this resistance is now flipped into support, and this support is being proven by this insane wick over here that was a buyer or a liquidation wick that basically now is trapping us right under resistance, which is where we broke down from over here at around 28 cents. So this is why we're in that range between 20 cents and 28 cents. We can consolidate here, up, down, up, down, up, down, frustrate a lot of people, and then take a little bit of liquidity into the like 15-cent area and then reverse it back if it wants to. So that's what we're going to play out today, is what we can expect. I'm going to start doodling on the chart. I have drawn the fibs for us so we can see what we should be expecting, resistance and support. So I already gave you the level, 28 cents, 28 cents. We're having resistance. 15 cents is where we have support. Your EMAs and your fibs are giving you confluence. The midpoint of this channel, if this was the range that we're trading in, right? If this was the range, here's your midpoint, right? And look at this midpoint, the confluence. Without you doing any real technical analysis or just like simple, naked technical analysis, you can see that this is the mid, this is the channel, the top and bottom, and if you would like, I don't know why I went that way about it. Sorry guys, it's a little early today. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. I did not have my coffee yet, so if I sound like blah, it's because I'm tired. Sorry. So here's the parallel channel. Remember, you hold shift to keep it straight, guys, and then you could click, and right there is the bottom. Click. And now you can lock that in, and you can clearly see now the dashed line here. Look at this resistance. So before it was support. Okay, we broke on through here. It was support. We could not get under it. 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, now we got under it. Now this is resistance. Okay, it has flipped into resistance right over here. You got your retail trend line, and you can see that this thing was keeping us down. Finally, we bottomed out over here, made a flat top, kind of like a triangle accumulation, and then you got your breakout. following this same, it's like, what do you call this fractal? A bat, kind of. I forgot what do you call it. It's not Gartley, it's like a bat. This is like the expanding wedge over here. And as long as the expanding wedge holds the lows, the upside continuation can occur, uh, or is more probable. I'm going to erase that, and I'm going to do it like this. Like that. There's no way I'm expecting to come flat over here, and that angle was not right. But if you can hold it like this with these lows over here and just hold this angle, then you have that upside continuation. And the angle is also being supported by that 21 cent middle of the channel right here, where you got your wick. So everything makes sense with that level, okay? That level is an important level moving forward, and I would mark that on your charts, meaning anything above this level here is good for upside. Anything under that level is you need to be aware and concerned about, downside to come. Um, yeah. So underneath this 21 cent level with the daily close, daily open and close, I'm looking for 15 cents. Underneath 15 cents, I'm looking for much deeper retracement. And I don't think we will stop until around 13 cents. So that would be my next pit stop underneath 15 cents is 13 cents. And the other thing I was trying to tell you is we're looking at this downside probability, but the downside is probably going to be very limited due to the fact that it's in an uptrend. Let me demonstrate that. So here was one triangle, and this was the low, low, low. This is where anyone who bought the supply, they will be probably reaping the rewards of that upside push for a while. Okay, remove that. Here is your next bull flag right here. And technically, this was also a bull flag. This was right after we broke out of the consolidation. This consolidation we could not break down. And then here's the other one. And if you really look at this, it's a head and shoulder kind of situation in inverse. So how could I show you that? You right click here, invert scale, and you see here's your head. This is a very tiny shoulder. Here's your next shoulder, and this is the shoulder that did the drop. And this looks like a cup and handle. If you look, if you can look at this blindly, let me turn off all this stuff. Blindly, doesn't this look like it's just gonna roll over here and just go down here? Like this is the lower high, and in this lower high sequence, you should be looking to take out the liquidity underneath 48 cents. But that means if that's true, and we reverse this back to what it should be at, you're basically saying that Doge is going to take out the high. I mean, possibly go to $1 a coin in the long term. Don't get too hyped up right now. But this is what Ripple did, okay? This is what Ripple did. It had this large accumulation and markup because it was an institution, okay? It was not retail. This is not me and you. This is like bigger banks doing stuff that probably were already in crypto, and they're just making money by trading this. Basically, when they see that there's no one buying it, they're buying it, and then when they add the hype, and now everyone wants it, and they're the ones with the supply, they're distributing it. Here's the last triangle that I was talking about. And if you lose this, then you can see this 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. Well, then it's going to go 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. Something like that. And then it could find a bottom in this range, because this range is where the next consolidation, or where the previous consolidation was, sorry. Because the markup, we're basically testing it, and we're at the 0.5 of the testing it. This is the best bullish bounce area for upside continuation. If you lose this level, then we are playing out a Wyckoff distribution, and you're going to have maybe 7 waves. Like this is 1, 2, 3. We're at 4. The fifth wave is the largest wave. Okay, so this wick will get eaten because they know everyone thinks that this wick is safe and all their stop losses underneath that wick. Well, we're gonna do this rolling dead cat bounce right now, and we probably won't get above 28 cents, and we'll roll it on over and take out all that liquidity underneath that wick at 21 cents, come all the way to 14 cents, stop everyone out. Everyone who was in this trade with leverage is liquidated now. And at 14, 15 cents, where everyone is in full panic looking for lower, the institution is easily opening up his wallet and buying it with no hesitation, knowing that no one wants it here and he's willingly to take it, and he'll write it right back up to 28 cents and sell it from 14. That's another 10 cents per share. And he'll let it go back down. He'll buy it back up around here, around 10 cents, sell it again at 15, and then decide if he's going to destroy Doge market cap to zero, or if they're going to just swing it from here, go like, oh yeah, Elon now is converting Tesla shares and SpaceX shares and Boring shares into Dogecoin shares, and everyone is going to get a stock split, and Doge is going to be the new US dollar when it goes to $1 a coin, blah, 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 blah. So some kind of stupid news event is going to cause the lows to basically be cemented, and then you will see a big markup phase, and it will be a market buy from the institution, followed by hype and FOMO and FUD from retail buying it up and basically forcing a short squeeze on the shorts with institution on their side, because if the institution won't sell what they bought and now you're buying on top of the institution, then markup will liquidate everyone else because there's no supply. The people who are short will have to market sell because everyone is just buying and holding, and it will just, yeah, that's just how a short squeeze dynamic works. So right now, I saw the whole weekend and last week we went really, really sideways at ETH and other stuff. I took a long on Solana. Solana's back in that 180 area. That's where we were looking for it. I bought it today in the morning. ETH is at around 2765. I had a long at it at 2705, I think I took a long, and I got rid of it at 2750. So right now, if we don't get above 2800 today on ETH, with a 4-hour open and close, I'm looking for us to roll on over, and today we're going to see some blood. But if ETH can get above 2800, ETH is going to start doing a short squeeze. So the whole last week, everyone who added a short while we went sideways, they're all going to be short squeezed and fuel for ETH to get to around like $3,000 today, just to liquidate all the shorts, and then it will come back down like tomorrow if it wants to, kind of situation. So I'm long on Solana because Solana actually dug deeper down as ETH is up. So I'm going to assume that as ETH goes up and sideways, all the other altcoins will get some love from the lows. So just if you're aware of why I bought Solana on the levels, go look at the Solana video. If you are not aware of the ETH levels where I was doing my scalping, go and check on the YouTube channel for the ETH levels. You will get it. And today I'm giving you this Doge situational plan. If you are interested in trading it, feel free. I will send the picture to the Discord members, and then I will give them a little bit more detail on this risk management side. If you guys have any questions and concerns, leave it in the comment section below and I'll get back to you in the next one. If you are interested in trading with me live, feel free to join our Discord server. Link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps this channel grow. Thank you guys so much. Like our MEXC link, so all of you guys who are using that and getting the same discounts that I'm getting, a little bit of that helps because not only do we all share that large volume discount, but they do give us a bunch of added bonuses, like if you hold the MEXC coin, I think 2,000 coins, you get a lower rate, and we get first dibs on like any new altcoin that comes out. I don't like trading any coin without a little bit of history, like at least like a week or two, because it's all a game, you know? This is all a video game. Like if you're just jumping into a coin that's being released brand new and hoping for that pump, I get it, but that kind of strategy is gonna last you maybe like one bull cycle. It is not going to be a long-term thing. You will regret that, and more than likely go bust doing stuff like that without a proper plan. So just be aware of that moving forward, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Give me a holler in the comment section. Let me know how I'm doing. And yeah, have a great day and be safe.